Okay, so here we want to convert fractions into decimal form. How do we convert fractions into decimal form? Let's start with 4/5. So firstly, we want to put our rectangular enclosure, inside of which we're going to put the numerator, which is the number on top, and the denominator comes out here. We put an upside down V like this, and just above that upside down V's point, you put a point. This is our decimal point. You put a 0 over the first number, and then the second step is we add a 0. So we say 5 into 40, this is 8, so we put this 8 over the 0, and then we go 8 times 5, this is 40, and then we subtract. So we subtract, if we get 0, then what is on top here is the answer, so 4/5 as a decimal is 0.8. Let's look at a few more. If we have 1/8 as a decimal, we put our rectangular enclosure, the numerator goes inside and the denominator comes outside. Our upside down V indicates where the point is, the decimal place is going to be. We put a 0 over the first number and we add our 0 like this. So we say 8 into 10. 8 into 10 is 1. Okay? We multiply 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 8, and then we subtract. So if we subtract here, we get 2. So once we get a remainder, we keep adding zeros. So we add a 0 again onto here, and we say 8 into 20. 8 could go into 20 twice. So we go 2 times 8. This is 16, and we subtract again. Get a remainder again. So once we get a remainder, we keep going. Add another 0. So we say 8 into 40, this is 5. 5 8s are 40. And we see when we subtract here, when we get no remainder in the end, this gives us the answer. So we realize that you need to go on until you get 0 as your remainder. Alright? For this answer here, 1/8 as a decimal will be 0.125. Let's look at another one. Let's try a quarter. A quarter as a decimal. We open our rectangular enclosure. We put the numerator inside and the denominator outside. This is our upside down V. Add our 0 for the point 0. 4 into 10, we get 2. 2 times 4, 8. Let's subtract, and we get 2. So we add another 0. We go again. 4 into 20, this is 5. 5 by 4, 20. Let's subtract. So we have 0 as our remainder, and therefore we get a quarter is equal to 0.25. Here are some for you to try. 3/8, 5/8, 7/8, half, 3/4, try 1/20th, 1/15th, 1/10th. I'm going to try as well 3/5, and last but not least 1/6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for you to try.